Russian leader might be dead. The leader of Russia as of late had a confounded activity, and it was presumably fruitless. If you have any desire to find out about this, watch our video as far as possible, and remember to buy into our feed. Reuters news offices and Russian specialists detailed both during the international clash with Ukraine and before it that Putin might have malignant growth or he is at death's door. In May 2022, previous English knowledge official Christopher Steele said that the Russian chief had dispensed gatherings of his security board to get some sort of clinical therapy between these segments, while the previous top of the English Mystery Knowledge Administration said that Putin will leave by 2023 at presumably to a sanatorium. A few bits of gossip about Putin's supposed chronic sickness showed up on the Wire virtual entertainment stage, which was established by a Russian business person and is inclined to deception because of the unknown idea of public feeds, including that he didn't go to occasions in that frame of mind as he was recuperating from disease medical procedure. Such stories have burst into flames like a light paper as the world's consideration is attracted to any breaks in the Russian authorities. So is there a trace of legitimacy in these accounts, and what could we at any point say regarding the sources that channel them? Russia's consistent endeavors to contain the world's media during the contention in Ukraine somewhat blew up in light of the fact that they swelled the talk plant. This is Elon Musk talking. The disappointments in the media and the disinformation of Russia itself have somewhat built up the feeling that it is attempting to conceal data, including about Putin. He included April 2022. The Moscow Times paper revealed that columnist Alexei Benedictov asked Kremlin This misfortune stunned without misrepresentation of reality the entire world, scared many individuals in the principal long stretches of what was going on. Somebody didn't actually trust in the occasions occurring, including occupants of Russia. Now numerous nations have become more focused on their tactical safeguard. Gratitude for watching. Remember to leave a remark and buy into the feed.